Hi Taurus, welcome to my channel. My name is Natasha Mai. This is a twin flame summit reading for Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter. It is not gender specific, so please take it as it resonates, and it's only your energy. So, if you want to know what's happening with your person, you will have to go and watch their signs. And this reading is for twin flames and soulmates that are in contact and they will be coming into union. Alright, even if that is just a little bit of contact. I do have another playlist for twin flames and soulmates that are in no contact and complete separation. So if you're not sure where you fit, you might want to watch both and see what resonates for you. It is timeless reading, so whenever you watch it, this is when it will have some kind of a meaning for you. And remember to check the description box below, Taurus, so that I can help you. All my details are below, my private services are below. I am putting specials out on my Facebook and Instagram. My links are below, so you can find them there, or you can get hold of me via WhatsApp or email. That details are below as well, so that I can help you. Whether that is with readings, healing sessions, meditations, just some guidance and clarity, or essential oils that will greatly support you on your journey in your awakening and your healing process. Just contact me any way that's convenient for you, and then we can discuss the help that you need. And yes, remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'm giving away a free private reading every week for now, and I will pick someone from the sign with the most likes every week, and I will alternate between the two playlists. So please leave your name and email address or WhatsApp number in the comment section below so that I can get hold of you if I picked you for a free reading. And let's take a look at what's happening with you, Taurus. Whoa, Taurus, you have got some strong energies here, I must say, and I do not ever use that, and it won't be my title either for this reading. But this is probably one of the best readings that I've seen um, in some time. This is very strong energies that's coming through for you. The first card is the Empress. The Empress has embodied all the other queens. She has reached full enlightenment. She's a fully realized consciousness. She follows her intuition. She's a brilliant mother. She's a brilliant teacher, brilliant leader. She's a brilliant communicator. She knows how to receive and give love. She is passionate. She's seductive. She's sensual. She's just a very truthful and honest, very strong person. And this is where I feel you are right now. You are feeling this Empress energies. You are in this Empress energies, and you're just feeling really, really strong in yourself and in this connection with your twin flame or soulmate. There is a rebirth. The Empress is about rebirth as well, that fertility, and you can see there's a baby there in the womb. I feel that there's a rebirth in your connection with your twin flame or soulmate here. Whether you are the one reborning this, rebirthing this connection or this commitment with your twin flame or soulmate, or you have received it, but you are feeling pretty good with this Empress as your main energy here. And it's definitely in regards to your twin flame or your soulmate connection with the love life card that came out with it, that says that your love life are improving and it's moving to a better place. It's ascending to a higher level of commitment. So this is really beautiful. You are feeling really, really strong. You could be the feminine energy in this connection as well with the Empress, but not necessarily. This is just the Empress is that strong, perfect connection, the perfect energy, and it shows the rebirth. The Emperor is more about control. So this is the rebirth of this connection, and everything that is beautiful in this connection, I feel, for you happening here. Your luck and fortune has changed dramatically, and this, I feel, this is in regards to two things. Yeah, one, it could be financial, and the other one is definitely in regards to a commitment there with a ring. um, you may not be able to see where this is going right now, having to follow your intuition here. There's an infinity sign, but you are moving forward. Your luck and fortune is just right at this stage, in regards to everything in your life, in regards to love, and you are just feeling very lucky and very fortunate right here. And yes, as I said, there is movement and there is definitely a commitment in the cards for you. There's a new home, so this could be taking things to the next level here, moving in together, or moving closer to your twin flame or soulmate, or they might be moving closer to you. But if it's not moving of a home, this is where your heart is. Home is where your heart is. So definitely you are coming home. You are coming home here with your twin flame or soulmate. Um, and if it's not literally moving home, I feel this is definitely movement in this connection, that coming home to my twin flame or soulmate at last kind of feeling here. This is really beautiful energies, and you really feel that your luck and fortune is just absolutely changing, and it might have been really difficult for you for quite some time, Taurus, to actually pull this off or receive this from your twin flame or soulmate, but it's happening. It is happening for you right now. Okay, so that is really beautiful energies. And then the star card came out as well. So I've got the Empress, I've got the Wheel of Fortune, and I've got the Star for you from the tarot. So those are very strong energies. And the Star could be someone famous, it could be someone popular, but it's also about hope, and it's about healing, it's about balance. I feel that chakras there where the stars over here there, so there might be Kundalini awakening happening, and you can see the third eye opening over there. So there's a lot of spiritual growth here within yourself, and in this connection, I feel it's a highly spiritual connection. But there's balance as well. You can see there's a great balance between the physical and the spiritual there. And you have hope again. You may have felt hopeless for some time, and there's just this new hope. And I feel like the stars are just aligning for you right now. And I feel this came very quickly out of nowhere. You may have been struggling with things for quite some time, and it just would not work out for you, and just suddenly the stars just aligned, and your luck and fortune just shifted in the right direction for you, and made a lot of things possible for you, and you're just really feeling good here, really feeling good with the star, really feeling good with that Wheel of Fortune, really feeling good with that Empress card in regards to a new beginning, a rebirth in this connection and love, and moving things forward to the next level. Absolutely. Your desires, your desires are all coming true here. This card does say your desires are within reach. Have faith, as everything is working in your favor. I do feel they already came true for you. All your desires came true for you, and it was because of holding on to faith that everything will be working out in your favor here in regards to your twin flame and soulmate. Holding on to that faith is what made this happen for you, and those stars just aligning and everything just suddenly falling into place. This is really beautiful energies, Taurus, very strong energies, and I am really happy for you for all this beautiful stuff happening. Remember, I'm going to leave it there. There's just nothing more to say. So please remember to check the description box below for information on my private services, so that I can help you if there's anything else that you need me for. Whether that is with essential oils, I'll put the playlist of the doTERRA essential oils at the end of the video here for you to go and have a look at it. It will greatly support you on your journey, whether or not you are in union. We all need that extra help always. Or whether you need some guidance or some clarity, healing, or some meditations or readings, just get hold of me. All my details are below. My WhatsApp number, my email address, my Facebook, my Instagram links are below. There's specials on my Facebook and Instagram. You can find them there. And yes, just get hold of me if there's anything I can help you with. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to give away a free private reading every week for now, and I will pick someone from the sign with the most likes. So obviously you need to like the videos for that, as well as subscribe if you haven't done so already, and leave your name and email address or WhatsApp number if you okay with that in the comment section below, so that I can get hold of you if I picked you for a free reading. And I will see you in the next video. Namaste, Taurus.